Hello everybody and welcome to the BattleAxeCode. My name is Steven and in this video I'm going to talk to you about long listeners. So over here what we're going to do on long listener, it is like a normal button. I'm going to put a button over here, but we're going to use a click listener and a long listener. So when we press it one time, it's going to display one message over here, fast click. When we hold this button down, it's going to display another message. But the only thing is, when we press it again, it's gonna display the the first message. That'll be from the click listener. When we hold it down, it's gonna display long listener. Over here, we're gonna do the same thing, but the only thing is, like long listener, it is a boolean, so we can display it if it's true or false. So basically, when we're gonna use it in true, it's just gonna display the message one time right over here in text view. But over here, when it's false, I'm gonna hold the button down, and it's gonna come out the message. But when I release the button, it's gonna return me my previous message. So let's start writing. Let's go to main activity Java and let's start writing some code in. So right over here, like you see, on my click listener, you see, on click listener, it's going to display me one fast click. So when over here I go to long listener, I'm going to hold the button down and it's going to come out long listener. That's going to be in the boolean. You see over here, boolean, it's going to be true. Now let's do the other one. That'll be false. It's basically writing the same thing you got over here, just changing it and making it false, and changing obviously the button. Oh, we already got it over here. We declare over here. This is the F button. That would be like false button, because that's what the F I'm using it for. False button is going to put a long listener, and it's going to display it, and it's going to display my view over here. And over here will be true. So now let's try this out. It's basically some simple code. So let's wait till it gets built. And it's taking a little bit too long. And there we got it. So over here, when I press it once, true, it comes one fast click, but when I hold it down, long listener comes out. Press it again, one fast click. But now look at it over here in false. Press once, hold it down, long listener. When I release the button, it goes back to the previous one. And that'll be our callback method. Well, as you see, our code worked. Got the job done pretty good. Here's something very simple. Call your buttons from the XML. Put a click listener. Put one fast click, or put something else. And over here, use your long listener. Remember, over here is the boolean. It's going to be true or false. It depends what you want to use it in. So you declare it to see it like in false. See your previous, whether you previously was seen on that text view or anything else. So, well, thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe to the BattleAxeCode on my YouTube. Check out my page, and every week I'm going to be uploading videos. So I'll see you in the next video.